Okay, hello Capricorns, welcome to your zodiac reading. This is going to be from May 15 to the 31st for you. We'll be looking at the current situation for you, and basis that we'll see how do the next 15 days look. And we'll also pick up an oracle card of advice for you to see what's gonna happen. And let's begin. Let's see what's going on with you in your current situation. What's going on with you, Capricorn? Death, the Wheel of Fortune. Oh my god. So you're here, Capricorn, the devil. You guys see the Temperance also, so I'll take it. So all four major arcanas. Something huge is happening in your life, Capricorn. A massive change coming about which is taking you towards stability. If you were stuck in something, you're coming out of it, and it's a good sign. Okay, it's only taking you towards a positive new life. Okay, I can also see that somewhere in the beginning you could have been very skeptical about this change. You were not sure if things will work out in your favor. You just didn't know that is it going to be the right move for you. But now I see that yes, you feel it will work out in your favor, and you are kind of looking at it positively. It's a change in the way you think. From devil you're moving into temperance. So that's basically first feeling anxious and then kind of understanding that okay, this is happening for my highest good. So nothing to worry. Okay, nothing to worry here, nothing to panic. It is just kind of taking you towards positivity. So don't worry about it. So if this present situation is resonating, which I see that for a lot of you, you might be feeling it in you that okay, I am changing, things are changing, and as a person, you're feeling that okay, things around me are changing. All right, so you kind of getting there, you know what it is. So it is something that is going to take you out of darkness. So do not worry. All right. So if this resonated, let's see what's going to happen in the next 15 days. Next 15 days. Justice. What is this? Your reading is all about major arcanas. I have temperance again. Magician, hermit, only one minor, which is three of pentacles. Okay, so guys, what I see for you here is that a very big cycle in your life is coming to an end. Something that had been going on for a long time and maybe you did not find a closure, that is coming to a closure, and you will be feeling very, very powerful. You will be feeling very comfortable. Things will fall into place. You will start to balance your life out in a much better way now. And I also feel somewhere you will get clarity around your career path, or just in general, if you were stuck around working on something, you were not sure how this is going to pan out for you, that energy is also going. Okay, with the Three of Pentacles, that's what I'm picking up, that you are kind of wanting to do something, and that courage was probably lacking, but now this courage is coming back. Okay, this courage is coming back, and you are feeling much more rejuvenated and ready to take action. That's the energy. You are feeling much more rejuvenated, much more powerful. You're feeling like you can do things on your own, and it's like the onset of a sudden power in you, which had probably gone at a certain period of time, and now it's come back. Okay, so do not worry, do not think too much that okay, how is all of this happening for you all of a sudden. Don't think this way. It's happening because it's a closure of a cycle and a beginning of a better one, like beginning of good times in your life. Let's see what else. Let me pick some more cards. I have the Six of Cups, so yeah, and I have the Moon, and I have the Emperor. So look, the thing is, your answers, okay, suddenly you will feel very connected to your childhood. I'm seeing that you will feel the need to go back and connect with your childhood so that you can face your fears. Now this could be when probably your mom was pregnant with you, it stems from there. And those cycles, maybe you guys have had some inner child work that needs to be done, all right? And that is kind of being taken care of now. Yeah, so that is kind of being taken care of now. And I feel that this is happening for your highest good. This cycle is coming to an end in your life, definitely. And you know, when you come out of this, you're going to be a better person. Okay, Capricorns? And it's like a massive change, massive transformation of self, growth, okay, stability, all of these things. Okay, now let me pick an oracle card of guidance for you. Field of Dreams. Follow the leader. Okay, so I had the Emperor also. Somehow I feel that just go back to what your parents taught you, or your grandparents, whoever you were close to. I don't know why I'm picking this up. The answers lie there. Maybe something that your grandparent or your parents said will make a lot of sense at this point, and maybe they are your ancestors. Okay, and this is something that is going to change your life. forever. So it's a new beginning of sorts. Okay, there is some apology also that needs to be done, um, and that will be done. It's a closure of a cycle. So of course, apologies, regrets, all of these things come to an end. Alright, Capricorns, so that's what I have for you. Let me know in the comments if this reading resonated. Private readings are open. You can reach out to me. Also, guys, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Mishi Blue Tarot Official. I do daily 3-card readings over there, just in case if you're interested. And I shall see you soon again. Take care. Bye.